Hey, Zach Dobson here with our next Friday photo tip. This week we're going to continue our series about shooting in that super bright, less than ideal midday sun. And this week there's no real trick here. The tip is just embrace it. Sometimes it's just a part of the story that, super hot, bright. Maybe it's a sunny day at the beach, or you're at a park somewhere and it's just getting baked in the sun and you really want to emphasize that. Also, a lot of times those super sunny days you'll get nice big fluffy clouds, and you can really use that to emphasize warmth of the sun and just the how big the sky feels when you have those giant clouds going through. So zoom out, get a person in the frame, make them look small against the big sky. You can show pinpoints of light against the water to emphasize that brightness. You can, get those colors, those really hot kind of colors that can come through when you've got the sun just baking down on something, and just use it, make the most of it. That is our tip for the day, and be sure to like the video, tag a friend, help us get the word out so we have more good photos out there in the world. Be sure to hashtag ZDPPHOTOCHALLENGE. Try some of this out over the weekend. Hopefully it's sunny where you're at, and you can get some nice bright sun photos, and tag us. I'll take a look. I'll leave comments or share some of my favorites in my stories. Yeah, happy shooting and keep it real.